Hey guys, it's Mr. Ninja or Dylan here. Welcome to my first YouTube video on Mr. Ninja. So today I'll be opening a Dantdm superhero. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, so we got almost unboxed. Now we just have the actual Dantdm part to get open. You got it. Okay. So let's check out Dan first. It's really hard to get open. Toys these days. Okay. Here's the Dantdm tube here. I think these things are really cool. I'm going to place this on my desk. We also got his diamond shovel. Let me get this out too. Really hard. Okay. There we go. We got his diamond spade, shovel, whatever you prefer to call it. It can go into his hand, I think. Yeah. Oh. This might be a problem. Oh no. Okay. So, I got the shovel in his hand without his hand actually breaking off. That's good. That's a start. Then we also have a hammer. Let me get that out. It's a cool diamond looking hammer too. I wish I had one. Here's the hammer. Pretty cool looking. So now he's ready to chop and shovel. Okay. Oh, come on again. Really? Okay. This also comes with a shield. It's really cool. It just says Dantdm on it with a diamond. Of course it's a diamond. What else would it be? I'm gonna take this. It happened again. Okay. This is so difficult. Okay, finally got it. I'm gonna put the hammer and the shield in now. That is if I can get the shield in the proper way it's supposed to go. Okay, I can't get that in, but here's the shield. It's Dantdm. I think that's pretty cool. It might be backwards, I don't know. It says TDM on it though. That's pretty awesome. And last but not least, we have a tube hero grit. Well, I mean, this is. I won't yell at this dog because it's pretty normal for his head to come off. He's a skeleton. Did I break it? Oh no. Okay. And here's Graham. His dog that got like decapitated in a science experiment gone wrong. So yeah. Here's the doggy. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's basically this whole thing, what this whole tube hero thing has to offer. Yeah, you should go to Walmart or one of your local stores and go buy a tube heroes because they're absolutely amazing. So shout out to Dantdm and whatnot for this tube hero because it's really cool, and I want to put this on my desk, following along with Grim. And if you guys enjoyed this first video and you want more videos like this, then leave a comment down below and like the video. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Peace!